Welcome to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This review reflects my personal experience using the product. TitanFile is a secure file sharing platform designed for organizations that need to exchange sensitive information. It's especially relevant for industries like legal, healthcare, and finance where confidentiality is paramount. Their focus is on providing a simple and user-friendly interface combined with robust security features. So, let's dive into some of the key aspects of TitanFile. Security is, of course, a top priority. TitanFile employs end-to-end encryption, meaning your files are protected both in transit and at rest. They also offer features like two-factor authentication and granular access controls, giving you fine-grained control over who can access specific files. You can set expiry dates for shared files, ensuring that access is revoked after a specified period. Audit trails are also available, providing a detailed record of all file activity. Beyond security, TitanFile offers a range of features designed for efficient collaboration. You can securely share large files, eliminating the limitations of email attachments. The platform also supports automated file requests, making it easy to collect information from clients or colleagues. Automated reminders can also be set up, ensuring timely responses. The user experience is designed to be intuitive and straightforward. TitanFile integrates with popular cloud storage services like Dropbox and Google Drive, allowing you to easily share files directly from those platforms. The interface is clean and well-organized, making it simple to manage and track your shared files. Mobile apps are available for iOS and Android, enabling access and file sharing on the go. TitanFile offers a variety of pricing plans to cater to different needs and budgets. It's worth exploring their website to find the plan that best suits your requirements. Overall, TitanFile provides a secure and efficient solution for organizations looking to streamline their file sharing processes and protect sensitive information. They offer a compelling combination of robust security, user-friendly design, and helpful features like automated requests and expiry dates. Definitely worth considering if secure file sharing is a critical part of your workflow.